आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलते हैं। पाकिस्तान और मिस्र के वज़राए ख़ारजा के दरमियान वफूद की सतह पर मुलाकात जारी है।
Caused by the recent terrorist attacks in Islamabad and in Peshawar, we stand in full solidarity with Pakistan in fight against terrorism and violent extremism. So our heartfelt condolences, and I would like also to convey our deep appreciation of our very cordial relationship with Pakistan. And as you know, as you correctly mentioned, my dear brother, we are facing common challenges on the economic, political, and security levels, and that's of course encourage us to work together and to cooperate in terms of exchange of best practices and expertise to help each other, and to confirm that stability and peace and development are the main pillars of our strategic partnership. We would like to elevate our relationship to the strategic level. We would like also to reinvigorate the existing institutional mechanism of dialogue and cooperation between our two great countries, especially the joint ministerial committee, which is chaired by the two foreign ministers of the two countries. So the last meeting was in Cairo in 2010, so it's timely now to convene this the upcoming joint committee meeting, and we would like also to agree on a roadmap for our cooperation, which will cover all areas of cooperations: political, economic, investment, trade, security, religious and cultural dimensions. Again, it's a great honor for me to be here, and I am sure that we have a clear-cut instructions from our two leaders in order to further deepening and enhancing our cooperation. The two leaders, President Sisi and his brother, Prime Minister Shahbaz, they met at least 3 times in the last period of time, and they instructed us to further enhance our cooperation. So sky's the limit for our cooperation, and I'm fully committed in that working with you, my dear brother, we can do something mutually beneficiary for our two peoples and our two great nations. Thank you so much for the very warm reception and for the cordial reception here in our second home country. Thank you.
पाकिस्तान और मिस्र के वज़राए ख़ारजा के दरमियान वफूद की सतह पर मुलाकात जारी है। नायब वज़ीर आज़म इसहाक़ डार का कहना था कि पाकिस्तान और मिस्र के दरमियान देरीना शराकत दारी और भाईचारा कायम है। मिस्र के वज़ीर ख़ारजा के दौरे पाकिस्तान का खैर मकदम करते हैं। पाकिस्तान और मिस्र के दरमियान मईशत, दिफा समेत दीगर शोबों में ताउन फ़रोग़ किया गया। मिस्र के वज़ीर ख़ारजा ने पाकिस्तान में शानदार मेज़बानी पर शुक्रिया अदा करते हुए कहा कि इस्लामाबाद और पेशावर में दहशतगर्दी के हालिया हमलों में जानी नुकसान पर पाकिस्तान की हुकूमत और अवाम से ताज़ियत करते हैं।